51st and a half anniversary spectacular!
Critter?
Gosh, I'm so unimportant.
Now, you see, Bud will be coming out all the way to the center of the stage. Then he gets the cane.
Gosh, I'm so unimportant. Gosh, I'm so unimportant. Oh, gosh, I'm so unimportant. That's it. I like that. Modest, unassuming. It's me.
Get me out of this gold-darn contraption. What do you think I am? Some kind of dang-blasted hoochie-coochie gal? Do I look like some half-clad female to come a shimmying out of a cake?
Center him.
Why, it ain't this.
I think we're losing him.
Ooh!
There he goes again. Don't jump. Let's get out of here.
Now, let's see. It says right here in this book, take lotion, splash 2 drops at root of hair, comb strands lengthwise, and, the minoxidil method.
Oh, brother. 51st and a half anniversary. Who writes this slop? Ugh. Happy birthday, old chum, old pal, old buddy. The next thing you know, they'll stick me with 3 snot-nosed nephews. I wouldn't put it past them. It's just, Warner Brothers doesn't have an original bone in it.
Okay, people, places. Okay, this is Bugs Bunny's 51st and a half anniversary spectacular. Take 1.
What's up, Doc? Monotonous, isn't it?
Okay, take 2.
Sorry, but there's a loose floorboard here. I wouldn't want any harm to befall my esteemed fellow thespians.
Is there a carpenter in the house?
Why don't we just move the action back slightly and maybe readjust the camera? There, how's that? Could I have a cane, perhaps, falling somewhere in my general vicinity? My contract distinctly stipulates that I'm not supposed to toss no canes to no stupid rabbits. Your people spoke to my people, who specifically stated that...
All right, we'll get someone else to throw the cane.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Now what's he doing?
Cut!
Came in too early, huh? Oh. Sorry. Personally, I thought it was a vast improvement on the whole stupid...
Where is he? Not again.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Cut! Cut! Cut!
For shame, Doc. Using live ammunition on a movie set.
Well, I thought it would be a great big birthday surprise if after 51 and a half years of trying, I find we blasted you.
This is inconceivable. Cut. No, don't cut. Let the cameras roll and record it for posterity whilst I give this two-bit Nimrod a severe dressing down. Sir, you have desecrated the spirit of show business make-believe by using real bullets. Cut. No, don't cut. Now get rid of this stupid thing, take your little prop gun, and stick to the script. Cut. No, don't cut. And another thing, expect a call from my attorneys about this unfortunate incident. And brother, when they call, you'd better... now can we cut? You smug son of a... Oops, pardon me. Slight mishap.
Great timing on that coming out of the cake thing, Sam, but it seems a little, unenthusiastic. Remember your motivation. It's Bugs Bunny's birthday. Everyone's happy. It's a big celebration. Is there some problem with that?
Bugs Bunny, he's a 51 and a half. Who cares?
Sure, Sam, I know, but couldn't you look a little more up for this?
All right, how's this?
Fine, good, fine. Swell. Yeah, very good.
But I hate rabbits. Varmint, critter. Well, how's that?
Rejoice.
Pardon me. I don't mean to put a damper on this thing, but, weren't there supposed to be 5 rockets?
There were 5, and I lit them, too.
Holy smokes. That moron.
Whoa!
Hit the deck!
Sam, speak to me.
Ooh, you carrot-chomping, flop-eared, bob-tailed rabbit. I hope your innards turn to outers and your ears go vice versa. I hate rabbits. It's just human nature to hate rabbits. Why, you low-down, flop-eared son of a kangaroo. You'll pay for this, you dog-blasting, ornery, no-account, long-eared varmint. Well, you carn-sarn idiot rabbit.
Maybe we can fix it in the editing.
Can we go to lunch now?